So the data is generally the same graph. You can actually see it from, like, if your data is on RDBMS, you can actually see that for RDBMS as well. Or say you have some data on Oracle and MS SQL, right? And you want to merge that data and create a graph out of that data. So you can actually do that. So it's not that the data has to come into a specific way to create these kind of graphs. No, it's not like that. The data can come in any form. We'll convert it as per our own requirement and show it. And all these things are being done in a parallel manner, so that you don't hit that kind of bottleneck wherein you have to wait for the whole complete data to be processed and then start working on all those things.
So like you have developed the sort of plugins for all the formats, like you told, like data that is coming from the Hive, it was being displayed in the form of charts. So is it possible to put it to Excel files or PDFs?
Yeah, certainly. See, I'm not sure, like at this point of time I'll be able to show you converting this report into a chart or not, but certainly you can, what you can actually do is, the other dashboards that I showed you, you can actually generate PDF as well as Excel out of those reports. So this data is also coming from basically Hadoop cluster, and you can actually generate a PDF out of this, so that you can actually share it with others. So these are the delivery platforms that that also comes into picture. Like you have a system wherein you actually analyze the data, but how do you share that data with others? So we are trying to bring in a complete solution which provides you with this kind of framework where you actually analyze that data, discuss over that data, collaborate over that data, and share it with others as well. Right? So this is the PDF. It's almost like similar PDF that you actually saw for HTML. So we have options of converting this kind of information into Excel, as well as like PDF, PPT, doc, various formats that are available. You can actually email this report from the system itself. It will automatically go to anyone. You can actually do any kind of operations, delivery operations associated with it. Right? So this is a complete solution that we are talking about in terms of analyzing and distributing the information.
So we will not talk too much about Intellicus, some of this game plan. But Intellicus is something very similar to Crystal Reports or Jaspersoft or any other reporting tool that you might be aware of, and it has all the capabilities of what any big reporting tool can provide. So what Intellicus has done is provided an interface over Hive. So you can actually design any kind of report over Hive, over Hadoop file system, and leverage the power of Hadoop itself. So this is one way to bridge the gap between manual analytics on Hadoop and the rich UI interface that any reporting tool can provide. I think we should be taking more questions as part of the discussion panel now.
Thank you, Sanjay. Next, we will be having, as said by Sanjay, a panel discussion. But before that, I think that there should be a tea break to get charged up. So you all please have it, and it should be a quick break. So please be back in 10 minutes.